for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking. We have a interesting level that I want to show you all that we left you wonderful folks out with on the last video. If you're new here, welcome in. We were just showing our investors the previous level of resistance. So we're going to get more into details about that. We're going to go over the buyers and the sellers obligation currently in the market. So this way everyone will be prepared in terms of what could take place to the up or the downside. So loyal subscribers, welcome back, guys. So let's see what we have on the menu. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today is March the 28th, 2021, and the current price of Ethereum is going to be $1,697.90. It's up approximately 0.6% for the day. Okay. All right, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. ASMR, interesting analysis. All right, guys, so here's the lines. That's it, really simple. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the levels that we've been following. The red line represents the overhead level where the buyers must break through in order to continue the trajectory. The lower line is pretty interesting, actually. This green line represents the level that we're letting investors know that, yeah, everything is just fine. It just needs to go down to one level. In fact, here's the video that we posted on, I think it was March the 24th, 2021. We were just saying that, yeah, the level, I think the price was like, yeah, 1627 at the time. So if we go back on the chart, this is actually the candle that we posted the video right here. So the price is just continuing to go down. And we're like, yeah, it's fine. As long as it stays above 1580, which is this green line. And if you notice, like, it came down perfectly. I can't make that up, guys. Notice it only wicked at that level like perfectly. And it actually bounced so far and has gone up to the higher levels, reaching as high as 1720. So well, that's what that shameless promoting, right? The secondary level to the downside would be this white line that was also on the chart on the last video at 1439. We don't have to worry about that just yet. Right now, what we need to focus on is the buyer's obligation, which is to break above 1917 is this line right here. On the channel, the only thing we focus on is higher highs and higher lows, and of course, vice versa to verify what the trend is. Of course, higher highs and higher lows is an uptrend, and of course, we go over patterns, okay, support and resistance. So right now, the market is in an overall uptrend, Ethereum, USD pairing, yes. And it needs to break above 1917 is what we already said. So over the course of the next week, we typically kind of play the markets on like a weekly basis. We don't do like, daily interacting with the markets or like, nothing like that, guys. There's nothing against that, but that's just not how we operate here and how we entertain positions in the market. So we're going to have to give Ethereum another 7 days to potentially make a move from the buyers and the sellers. Yeah, so you guys have the obligation levels, the red line. The buyers must break above that line. If they have trouble at that line, that's not a good sign. This means that the sellers may have a little bit more control in this market than one may think, okay? If the buyers get stopped out there, start consolidating just below that line, oof, that's not a good sign. It will likely come back down to this green line, or maybe it's within some sort of ascending line, guys. Okay, I'm just, like I said, I'm not gonna get this stuff perfect, right? Maybe it's some sort of ascending line like that, and it'll continue to walk up the stairs. Remember, Ethereum is in an overall uptrend. I need more price action to determine what's going on. You guys have the buyer's obligation. It's two things: to break above this red line and also protect the recent low here at about 1580. So as long as it can stay above that level, everything should be just fine. You have the alternative level. Hopefully we left you out with that, 1439. If that can hold, great. Ethereum's on its way to the upside. We have overhead targets that hopefully you were able to click the links and check the other videos, as we have not really that extreme, but just practical levels for Ethereum and some really higher levels. To each his own, right? Whether or not it's extreme or not. You have to check the video, guys. So that's all I have for you wonderful folks for now. Hopefully this was useful in terms of the levels that, Ethereum will probably be within this range over the course of the next 7 days, okay? But yeah, if the buyer's in the market, you can expect to see a 1917 Ethereum at least up to the next week. Okay, so that's what I'll say. And that's all I have for you wonderful folks today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there, just if you enjoyed the content, to support the channel for the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you're new before you go, I'm not sure if you're into traditional stocks, but we cover that throughout the week, 7 days. So we'd love for you to join us here on this interesting journey. All right, so that's it, guys. Take care of yourselves, protect your portfolios, execute your strategies. We're going to talk soon. Bye for now.